Getting the job done is important, but even more important is safety. In order to work safely, you must have the proper safety gear. Glasses, hard hat, earplugs, gloves, if needed, boots. Working safely will prevent injury and make a more pleasant environment for everyone involved. Line boring is used to realign the main bearing bores so that they have the correct size and position to accept the crankshaft. After you have inspected the bores, completed any welding and cap cutting, line boring will straighten the main bearing bores within OEM specifications. Wheel the line boring machine up to the crankcase and turn on the electromagnets. Insert the roller installation tools into the bores. Then slide the boring bar into the crankcase. Use an inside micrometer to position the boring bar. Once you have adjusted your boring bar, you're ready to cut. Clamp the boring head onto the bar, giving yourself at least ½ inch of clearance to the bore you're about to cut. Use the pendant to take a test cut of about ½ inch into the bore. If the test cut is accurate, hit the Bore On button on your pendant to complete the cut. The cut takes less than 2 minutes to complete. Each welded bore will require 2 to 3 rough cuts and 1 finish cut. The machine is designed to take a maximum cut of 50 thousandths of an inch. Never take a cut more than 50 thousandths on the diameter or 1 full rotation of the boring head. Once the appropriate diameter has been cut from the bore, pull the boring head off and move it to the next one. Repeat the cutting process until all bores are cut. When the cuts are finished, pull off the boring head, retract the boring bar with the pendant, disconnect the drive unit, roll the boring bar back onto the machine, pull your bearings out, and your block is done. Make sure to re-inspect the main bearing bores for quality control.